Hello YouTube, Text back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how we're gonna fix Ethernet does not have a valid IP configuration in Windows. So on this video we are going to see 3 solutions to solve this problem, and all the solution will work for all Windows operating system. So stay tuned until the end of this video. So if this problem is occurring, the first basic solution will be checking your router and Ethernet cable. So in order to do that, check whether your router is working correctly or not, which is maybe by turning off and turning on again back after 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So turn off your router and turn it on back, and again check whether your cable is not broken or whether connected with your computer properly. So check all these 2 things as a basic solution for this problem. And if the problem is still occurring, then the second solution for this video will be disabling startup. So fast startup have also impact on such kind of problem. So disable the fast startup on your computer. So in order to do that, go here on the bottom and click on the search icon and type here control panel. So here the control panel, then open it. And if you cannot find your control panel like this, go on the top here and click the large icon option. Then after that, find for power options, select the power options. Then after that, go here on the left top corner, choose what the power button do. Then after that, click here, change the settings that are currently unavailable. Then after that, here you find shutdown settings. So turn on fast startup, which is you should have to uncheck this one and select here save settings. Then close your power option and restart your computer. So after the restart, your problem with the Ethernet will be solved. If again the problem is still continuing, then the third solution for this video will be reinstalling your network adapter. In order to do that, again click here the search icon and type here device manager. Here the device manager, then open it. So after the device manager opened, then search for network adapter. Here in my section here I found the network adapter. So click here the arrow, and here is the adapter for my network. So select this, right click on it, go here and right click on it, then select here disable device. And disabling will cause stop the functioning. You want to disable it, then select here yes, and your network adapter will be disabled. Then again right click on it and select here uninstall device. So it asks you here warning you are about to uninstall the device, then select here continue by uninstalling. Then your network adapter will be uninstalled. So close this device manager and restart your computer. So when your computer restart, it automatically reinstall it back your network adapter. So this also will help you to solve the problem related with IP configuration problems. So these are the solution for this video, and if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Tech.